At Dakota Automation, we offer a full range of automated solutions for the louver industry. Our louver saw automates the louver cutting and kitting processes. A stack of lineals is loaded to the infeed, and the system automatically releases the bottom lineal to the infeed pusher. The pusher will grip the lineal and position it for the cut cycle. Within the fabrication enclosure, a dual saw system will execute the cut. The bottom saw scores the lineal, while the upper saw completes the cut. A belt conveyor will transfer the parts from the enclosure. At the outfeed of the system is a louver kitting nest, where louvers are stacked and kitted for use downstream. Our louver tree assembly system fully automates the louver tree process. Rails are loaded into the system, and with a louver stack in position, the operator starts the process with a button push. Staples are placed in the louvers before the louvers are stapled to the rails. While the backbone is built, the louvers are drilled and pins are inserted. Both tension and standard pins can be incorporated into the system and fed into the insertion station by bowl feeders. An optional fabrication station can route notches into the louvers for the rear tilt option. With our fully automated louver tree assembly systems, building louver trees is a snap. Our style fabrication saws are multi-lane pusher-style saws with multiple fabrication stations. With fabrication both above and below the saw bed, and a cross-cut saw station. The style saw can fully fabricate up to 4 lineals at a time. A belt conveyor transfers parts from the enclosure where they are pushed onto a collection table. Our frame saws are single-lane pusher-style saws that grip the lineal at the infeed and position it in the fabrication enclosure. With fabrication stations below the part bed, this multi-angle saw can fabricate the complex details and end geometry required. And the collection table outfeed makes part removal easy for the operator. With our full line of equipment for the louver industry, it's automation with innovation at Dakota Automation.